You heard that? Fell in love with the trap and I can't fight. Tryna make a million out of. Alright, yeah.
Yeah,
I got
baby, you did
tears
this
in my eyes while I write this. Fell in love with the trap and I can't fight it. Tryna make a million out of selling like I might fit. I was finna quit today, but shit, I
somewhere. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I be needing content and like images, not images, but like behind, like scenes that says I traveled somewhere. You know what I'm saying?
I feel like your content says that.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That's why bro, I always try to get hella different. Exactly, right? Exactly, bro. It's like, damn, bro, right there. Yeah, bet. Or should I get like that? I should get like that. Should I get like? Oh, I should get like that. What is up, you guys? Your boy TAXIPNG, and we're back yet again with another man. Today we have the lovely
Olivia.
Yeah, man. Olivia's back with another man. So look, hey, we're about to have some fun. About to go ahead and shoot. I done traveled all the way from Orlando, Florida, man, to New York City. Y'all hear them beep, 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 beeps? It's showing you it's the truth. Show them the Big Apple. Show them that street. Show them everything. Show them the heat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we're about to go ahead and do a few poses, man. A little bit behind the scenes. You guys see the fit. You see the drip. Let's get into it. Let's do it. Yeah. All right, so first thing I'm thinking is I'm kind of thinking of some poses like I kind of want you like maybe like just like, oh shit.
Here?
Hold on, how far does it go? Does it go far? Okay, that's good. It go right there.
Okay.
Maybe like you like leaning into it, like on some like cool shit, looking off on some shit. You know what I'm saying? Engage your core. Don't lean all the way on it. And yeah, on some chill shit.
Right the other way. Like run on this side.
Face that way then. Face that way. Whichever side's better for you. Yeah, there we go. Bet. All right, you guys, I might use the flash. I'm gonna see how it looks. I got my TAXIPNG camera strap per usual, you guys, because just in case I wanna be like, oh, yeah, it don't go nowhere. Let's see. There we go. Come on. Yeah, there we go. On some chill shit. Hold 3, 2, 1. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there we go. Turn your torso a little bit more towards me. Like that. Boom. Just your up top. There we go. Yep, hold it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, hold it, 3, 2, 1. There we go. I'm gonna get some low shots as well. Make sure I'm getting that shot. Yep. That's hard. That's hard. Oh, like hold your hair, like both sides of your hair. Kind of like out. Yeah, like that. And like tilt your head with it. Tilt your head with it. Yeah, like that. There we go. Cling. There we go. Hold it. Yep. There we go. Yep. All right, bet. So now with this one, I'm kind of thinking of you like posing back with it. Like maybe like you're leaned back on that bit and kick one leg back. Have one leg up. Yeah, on some chill shit.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's chill right there.
We good.
Yeah. Engage your core. And then you can look that way. Don't give me no attention. I'm just here, but look that way and you can kind of show your girl a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do a little piece of a little something, you know what I'm saying? There we go, y'all, yep. So you always wanna get establishing shots, guys. Show where your subject is looking. So my subject is looking off. I'm trying to show this as well. I'm trying to show her as well as what she's looking at currently. So I'm gonna get that leg low. And fuck nigga, I'm talking. But yeah, so like it's getting low as well as what she's looking at is giving that vibe. So don't move, keep looking up, yep. I got that flash going. It's my Sony V1, you guys. I mean with my Godox V1, with my Sony a7S III. God damn! It's okay. I asked for it. I came to the city.
That's what I'm saying.
I asked for it, you know what I'm saying? All right, smile and like look off. I'm gonna get some detailed shots, some close-ups. There you go, hold it, don't move. Always get the details, y'all. Don't ever forget about details. She got rings on, I'm gonna show them rings. She got a piece on, I'm gonna show the piece. Just a little piece of the piece. I'm gonna show the teeth. Yeah, a little something, you know what I mean? Just to show. Look over at me, glance right here, yep. Yeah, right there, looking into the camera, yep. There we go. The other one, hold it. One more. Up angle. All right, literally what I'm thinking next is I'm kind of thinking of like having you maybe up here, right? And kind of like leaning over a little bit. You're shorter than me, so it's not gonna look as awkward.
Right.
You know what I mean? So try that a little bit, and let's see what we can get. Yeah, it's kind of. Oh, that's hard. That's kind of hard too. Yeah, put that bit. Can you? Yeah, try it. See, pull them things up. Like that. Yeah, that's hard. Yeah, that's hard. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, like you chilling on your day off and shit. Like you off for real. Like you ain't even working today. You know what I mean? Like you might not even get your paycheck. Tight shit. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. I'm getting on your level. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and get in this way right here. Let me see. Look over. Glance at me. Yeah, that's chill. I love that she's freestyling. That's one thing I really do like. She's freestyling with me, you guys. She's not just like not just letting me shoot and like, oh my God, what do I do next? What do I do next? She's also being fluid within herself. She's not worried about what I'm saying. If I tell her to pause, she's gonna pause. But if I don't say anything, she's not gonna, you know what I'm saying? Let's get it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Oh, the workers in the back. Oh, I got the workers in the back. There we go. Yep, that's hard. Holding it. Yep, that's hard. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I'm gonna get a little bit of details. Right there, yep. There we go, yep, hold it. Glance over at me real quick, right here. There we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Let me see. There we go, yep. Big apple shit. Hold it. One more, hold it. Back. Woo.
Fire.
You can get down?
Yeah, I got it.
All right,
Thank
back.
you.
Don't die. Because I know, I was thinking I was going to go back and you were going to go forward.
I'm going forward. That's
what you were thinking about? Yeah, it was like, damn. All right, what I'm thinking is, you get what I mean? So like, maybe like we get it kind of like, because people be wondering like, oh, how'd you come up with that idea? But like, it's kind of like showing the processes. Like here, kind of like with you, yeah.
I'm gonna go here.
Bet. Yeah, that's chill. All right, literally, yeah, that's hard, Literally like that already. Literally like that. Yeah, that's already hard. Yep, kind of like separate that leg from yourself a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. A little bit less. Right there, yep. Look away. Yep, there we go. I kind of go the same angle as the way that she's looking, you guys, to kind of like help out with it as well. Don't move, hold it. Yep, that's hard. Let me see. Some details in there. Yep. There we go, yep. Yeah, that's hard. I'm gonna do like a, oh, while you're hanging with that side, do something like with your, for your like, yeah, like that. You know what I'm saying? With the, yeah. Like that. There we go. Yeah, hold it. Yeah, there we go. Bet. Now what I'm thinking is I'm kind of like thinking like you may be crouching down on some shit like right here. Yeah. Yeah.
Too dad close.
He gave.
My dad exactly how we be posted up.
Too dad. Bet. There we go. Yep. Yeah. There we go. Hold it. There we go. Yep. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3. Oh, that's hard. Yep. There you go. Hold it. Bet. All right, you can put your hands up now. Hold it, yep. Bet. I'm thinking about me getting on the other side of this. You staying on that side. I'm gonna get on this side, and I'm gonna shoot like kind of like try to be like a little creative with it. Yeah, like try to be a little creative with it. Yeah, like that, like through the X's. Yeah, that's hard. Yeah, that's hard. Put like that right hand up. Maybe like hold this piece right here, like that. Yeah, like maybe like what's more comfortable? Yeah, like that, right? Okay, bet. There we go. Hold it. Yeah, there we go. Hold it. Yep. Hold it. There we go. You getting them good angles? Yeah. Hold it. Right here. One more. Hold it. 3, 2. I'm gonna do a close up real quick. Look right here. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, go ahead, you're good. Oh, that's hard. Go ahead, yeah. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, I like that kickback. Hold it, let me get that. There we go, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Look up, look straight away from you, yep. Bet. Yeah. You know what I mean? Through the, you know what I'm saying, you guys? I love you guys, man. Once again, man. New York series is going insanely strong. We're dropping all this week. You know what I'm saying? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every single day at 4 p.m. You know what I'm saying? Tap in with that boy. You know what I mean? Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys gotten this far. If you guys made it to New York with me and you guys were here before New York came, I love you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Make sure to follow Olivia. I'm going to put her Instagram above her head as well as down below in the comments. And make sure to check with a photographer, a videographer, or a model that might find this information as helpful. Until next time.
Olivia.
Oh, she did it. Taxi.
Say man, free my nigga, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? 20 bowls on her.